Hello guys, in this video I want to show you that how you can put GB 0014 2015 references style in your research paper, or we can say also how to put Chinese National Standard Research Paper references style. I have also faced the same trouble while writing my research paper. So in this video, you can easily learn from me how to insert GB 0014 2015 style, citations, the footnotes and references. Just stay with me. Let's start. First, you need to go to Google search engine and search for Mendeley desktop by writing Mendeley desktop in Google search engine. I'm going to show you. Just right here Mendeley desktop and click on the search. You will see the Mendeley website. Click on the first download Mendeley desktop. You can see and you can download the Mendeley desktop from here for your computer. Just click on download. You will see that my computer is downloading Mendeley desktop. I have also downloaded and installed into my computer, so I will not install it again. My computer, you can see the icon of Mendeley and my desktop. So I'm going to open this. So after installation, open the Mendeley and you will see here the tools option, and the tool options you need to click on install MS Word plugin and then OK. So the Mendeley desktop has been added to your Microsoft Word. Now open the Microsoft Word file to see if the Mendeley is added to my computer or not. I'm going to show you that how you can check Mendeley. In the ribbon, go to References tab, and here you will see the Open Mendeley desktop icon. So it is sure now that Mendeley is attached to my MS Word. So now in the Style tab, you need to click here, and then for more style, click here, and after that you will see the China National Standard or GB 7714-2015 style, and select this one and use this style. And in case if you did not see this, you can search here by writing China National Standard. So you will see this and then select or install the that style and then click on the done button. So Mendeley is now attached to my MS Word. Now I will tell you how to use this Mendeley for Chinese National Standard style and the research paper practically. Now go back to Mendeley and click on File option and then add all the files you have downloaded for your research papers. The research papers you have downloaded for your research paper references to Mendeley desktop. Just add files. I have saved all the files in one folders. So give the destination where you save the files and just click on one and then select Control A by selecting all and then open all the files. So now the all the files has been added to Mendeley. You can see that in Mendeley, the title, the authors, the journals, the years, the volume and the issue, the pages, the ISIN numbers uh, is available automatically. So now they pick automatically all the details which are needed in the references. You can see here the impact of the new web. You can see this one, the journal name, the years, the volume numbers, the issue and the pages, the and the DOI numbers and the ISSN number. If there is any error, you can just click on one. In this you can also edit by yourself if there is any mistake. So now I will show you how to put this practically. You can see here that I have put the three citation here. One is here, the other is here, the other is here. There are three citations. Now so here how to put the citation in the references. Just click on the references tab. In here you will see the insert citation. Just click on the insert citation, insert the name, search the name of the authors or the titles of the research paper. I'm going to just search uh, with the name of the authors. When I wrote only KOO Koeman, so just you can see that it is available. Just click here and then click on the OK button. You can see that Koeman citation has been added here. Now you can see for this is also here. I'm just going to insert the citation again. BRIG. So you can see this and click on this and this click on this. Your citation will be added. In another, this is postman. So just click on here and just search the name postman. Yeah, you can see and just click on it. You see that all the citation has been added and you can see that all the references are here now. When you complete your research and put all the citations, after that you can easily insert your bibliography just by clicking here in the insert button, insert bibliography. Just click here and you will see all the references has been added automatically, and you can then give its their own numbers. Yeah, so this is the easy way to write the references. So and you can also add the footnotes from here. You just copy this here and where you need the citation for the, yeah, this is our citation. Just go to reference files and insert the footnote. Yeah, this one, insert the footnote, and in the footnote just paste the reference here. And I'm just, you can see, and you can put the fonts whichever you want. So this is all the detail of the Chinese standard references and footnotes, citations. That's all. I hope that you have learned from it. And if you have any questions, I am ready to answer you anytime. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.